This is the Titanic ship in a bottle. It's ages 12 and up, and this is set 192188, and it has over 1,000 pieces. Let's get building. We come with the instructions. I come with issue bag 3, bag 2, and I believe this is bag 1. This is the instructions. So let's get building. This is a finished Titanic ship in a bottle. Oh, this is the finished set of the Titanic ship in a bottle. It is difficult to build, but it's not impossible. Let me just say,
just a lot of patience.
For the lights, you do need batteries, but right here you just need a screwdriver to open it and to put batteries.
So it has light, if you notice. This is so nice.
And it also comes with a letter that
it has the envelope, so you can put it in when you give it as a gift. This was really nice to build with my son. I didn't get to build the whole thing with him, but it was so beautiful to see. And now time to display it for him. So this is the Titanic in a bottle, ship in the bottle. Titanic. It has very beautiful bright light. When you go ahead and put 3 AAA batteries to this little device here where all the lights are connected to. You open up with the tiny little screwdriver, and this is very beautiful to put in display. And you place it into this beautiful holding place, and it's like, I love how you can pick it up and show it to your family members. It's nice.